across.
Okay.
Stairs. You have to have a special one, but let's just go straight. See, there's the Three Flags Falls.
Probably it's just we don't understand the thing.
Okay. Chicken?
Three, two, one.
那个迎厅呢是给外宾休息的，这个金厅呢就是给我们党和国家领导人休息的。整个展厅呢也都是以金色和红色为主题的。大家首先可以看到我们脚下的这些地毯呢都是祥云形状的。我们08年的火炬呢也是命名为了祥云火炬。然后呢，大家可以抬头看到我们头顶上和墙壁上呢有很多的装饰，这些装饰呢都是和平鸽。一共中国大漆为主材，用黄金粉、银粉、贝壳粉、铝粉为辅材，耗时150天完成的。因为呢都是一些矿石的颜料，所以呢保存到现在也不会褪色。
什么手机看的是一个？
放大用手机的各个位置，它是可以最后展复的。
We can buy that. Look at this.
Without doing anything.
This is booze. Yeah, it's booze.
It's booze.
That's quite cool though. No South African stuff. No, I don't know. Oh yeah, the swimming, yeah.
There's a lot of
Next one. Yeah.
But I don't know which level.
Go up. One-way elevator. I think. Do you see where this goes up, eh? So number 5. Number 5. Hi. Hello. Thank you. Into the people.
Yeah, I get over.
Come, let's go. Oh. Feel the decompression, eh? I'm here. Don't worry, you're not gonna fall, because I'm here.
Oh. I want to try it, Jesse. It's a chance.
Then you're gonna get some Stalin. Gonna get some Stalin wine. There's more Stalin booze, bro. Check it. Mate, I feel like I need to buy my parents one of these. Or someone one of these.
Oh, but then you need to ship it over.
No, you can take one bottle in the bin. Oh no.